Hello, everybody. Patrick here. Was speaking with a coworker yesterday, and I told Laura that I could open a master lock with a paperclip. This is by far a master lock. It's a Commando lock. It's a USA Commando lock, high security. And what makes it high security is it has serrated pins. Let's see if I can get it to focus. These little ridges on the pins right there. So if you try to pick it and you pushing the pin up, it'll click, making you think that you're, picking it, but indeed you're not. So what I'm going to do is see if I can open it with a paperclip. So US, there's the US stamp. The US Commando Lock, little stamp at the bottom, 00070. I'm going to use my Peterson pry bar. I'm going to use the tall end because of the rivets, otherwise I'll get stuck. I'm going to use top of the keyway. Going to use just resting my finger tension on it. And we are going to rake this open with a paperclip. I mean this super high quality $1,000 pick. Here we go. Let's see how long it takes. Oh, it's almost open. It's got a set right now. Oh, it's a paper clip, so it's kind of bending, so got to give it a little bit of slack there. Oh, and that happens sometimes too. When you're raking, your pick will fall out like that. All right. Try number 2 with the paperclip. And it's open. So, there you have it. Commando lock, high security, opened with a paperclip.